How to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Messenger. Now click on search. Then tap on Messenger and make sure to update Messenger to the latest version. Now go back to the home screen. Now keep holding the Messenger icon. Then tap on App Info. Now tap on Manage Notifications. Now make sure to enable this toggle. Also make sure to disable the toggle for set as silent. Then simply go back. Now tap on Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Now restart Messenger. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.